Hello, so we need to find and fix a trunk leak in this Buick Lucerne. We're going to take all the liners, the spare tire and such out. And then we'll set up our camera in the trunk along with a light and then hit it with a hose. Take a look at the recording after. Okay, we're verifying that our camera was set up properly. Might aim it down just a little bit more. Okay, let's put it in record, shut the trunk, and hit it with some water. Well, this is real time here. I didn't speed anything up, so this may take a little while. Nothing yet. And there it comes. Not really where I expected. It's running along that seam. Seems to be coming from the direction of the light. So it's just the three here. Just loosen and spin these off. So we can see it's wet behind here. It's hard to see perhaps, but it's getting behind. There's a seal right here that appears that it's supposed to press up against here and the top too. They aren't worried about the bottom. And also some gaskets here. Don't seem to be an issue. So we'll put this back in and check the seal. There's this gap right here. Seems like that's a problem. When you put this in, this should close this gap right here. This little gap right here shouldn't be there. So we're going to put a little strip of rubber in there. I picked up rubber tape from a big box, so it's got backing tape on it. Okay, so we split this into two. What we're going to try to do is fit it all the way around like this to this point right here. So we'll cut it right here. Okay, we're going to mark where we want this with our Sharpie pen here. Okay, we'll press this in, and it wouldn't hurt to let it cure for a little bit before we put the light back in. I'm going to put a little piece in right here too. I don't care for this area. And I'll repeat that on the other side. Okay, it worked all right. Okay, let's spin these back on. Okay, snug them all up. Okay, I think this will be the answer. We'll be testing it.
I'm not seeing a drop. Where did it come out before by now? So I think we got it.
Well, we have it all back together and we're now high and dry. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.